Myself Trevi and Dr. Kiran Yadav. In this session, I will discuss checking the correctness of formula using the dimensional analysis. So let us consider an example. We have to check the correctness of the relation S is equals to u plus a by 2 to n minus 1, where u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, and s nth is the distance traveled by the body in nth second. We have to check this relation whether it is dimensionally correct or not. So the given relation is S is equals to U plus A by 2 to N minus 1. Writing the dimensions on either side, like we will write the dimension of left hand side, then we will write the dimensions of right hand side, and then we will check whether the dimensions are equal or not. So in LHS we have S. S is the distance traveled by the body in nth unit. So S will be distance traveled upon time. The dimension of distance is L, time is t. So its dimensional formula will be L t minus 1. In RHS we have two terms. First one is the U, second one is the A by 2 2n minus 1. Okay. So for u is velocity, or I can say initial velocity, and for velocity the dimensional formula is lt minus 1, and for a by 2 2n minus 1, the dimensional formula of a is lt minus 2. The dimension of n is like t, because we consider n, we have written in the there is written in the question the distance traveled by bodies n seconds. So basically n represents time, so in bracket we can write the dimension as t. So this dimension becomes lt minus 2 into t, which becomes lt minus 1. So therefore the term, or I can say the dimensional form of all the three terms is L t minus 1, which is equal. So the formula is correct and this equation is dimensionally correct. Now let us consider another example. Suppose we have equation half mv square is equals to mgh, where m is the mass of the body, v is the velocity, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Check whether this equation is dimensionally correct. So first we will find the dimensional formula of LHS, then we will find the dimensional formula of RHS, and then we will check. So for LHS the dimensional formula comes out to be mlt minus 1 and lt minus 1 का स्क्वायर. देखिए मास की टर्म है, सो मास का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला होगा m. v है वेलोसिटी, वेलोसिटी का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला होता है lt minus 1. v स्क्वायर है, सो वी विल हैव टू स्क्वायर द डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ वेलोसिटी. That's why we have written lt minus 1 square. So the complete dimensional formula becomes m1 l2 t minus 2. In RHS, the formula is mgh, where m is mass, so its dimensional formula is m. G is acceleration due to gravity, whose dimensional formula is equal to that of acceleration, तो इसका डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला होगा एल टी माइनस 2. एच इज़ हाइट, जो कि लेंथ है, तो इसका डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला होगा एल. अब इसको कम्प्लीटली सॉल्व करेंगे तो जो ओवरऑल डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला है पूरे आर एच एस टर्म का, वो बन जाएगा m1 l2 t माइनस 2. अब आप देखिए एल एच एस एंड आर एच एस दोनों के डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला सेम आए हैं, तो दिस इक्वेशन इज डायमेंशनली करेक्ट. So that's all for this session. We will continue our discussion in the next session.